What's up, everybody? BMS Lou here. Hope everyone's doing well. Thought I'd come on and do something different. Try to keep this short, but this is already the third time I'm going to record the same damn video because I can't stop freaking talking. So, real quick, before I get into the topic, walking in Yeezy 350 V2 shoes, I wanted to say hello and what's up, or sup to all my subscribers. I appreciate you guys if you watch my channel religiously, though I really think 90% of you don't. There is a select few that maybe do. This channel's about to go everywhere. I need to get my mind off of life and do different things. So I'm gonna just start recording any and everything on this channel because it's my only monetized channel. I like to do it. Maybe I'll come on and vlog certain things, rare things, different things. But I may be buying a different car here very soon, so I'm gonna do a ton of videos on a car that I may get. But lately, the past couple years, I've been strictly sneaker shoes. And sneakers, shoes, sneaker videos. It's kind of slowing down now. I've got way too many sneakers that I can't even wear already, so I need to slow up a little bit. Whew, as I'm out of breath. So, just a warning, this channel may be starting to go everywhere. Like I used to do. I used to review stuff I bought on Amazon. I would go out and do vlogs, just about stupid stuff. I do cars, I do GoPro cameras, I do everything that I purchased. May go back to do that. But today, talking about walking in Adidas Yeezy 350 V2s. I've got quite a few pair. Got the Marsh creams, as you saw here right now today. Your Chills, blue tints. I know I'm forgetting some, but anyway, I walk a few times a week, 4 or 5 miles a day. 4 or 5 miles when I walk. So I don't walk every day 4 or 5 miles, but I walk a lot, a few times a week, 4 or 5 miles. And I've been wearing my Adidas Yeezy 350 V2s. I've been changing up the shoes as I almost stepped in duck crap. Today, don't hate, I got enough real ones, but these are replica. But trust me, my bank account definitely says that, and if you see my videos lately, I've got plenty of real ones to flex if I want to do that. But today I'm wearing the fake ones. Got these off the H-Gate. Go back a year and a half. You can see the video on these creams. They're holding up, honestly, and I wear them a lot. The Boost isn't quite as good, but it's not bad. For 80 bucks, it's not bad. I just say, if you get them off the H-Gate and you wear a size 13 or 14, you could be taking a chance on fit, because these are a size 14 off the H-Gate, and they fit tighter than the 14s and the real 14s. So I squeezed these in. I took out the insole. It helped a little bit, and I'm wearing socks, as you can see. But for 80 bucks, shoot, they're holding up good. Anyway, got plenty of pair of real ones. And just wanted to say, walking in them's not bad. So if you got a pair and you want to go off for a good walk, do it. Go for it. I've actually wore my blue tints to Walt Disney World. I probably walked over 10 miles a couple days in those things. Yeah, my feet were killing me, but my feet were killing me when I wore any other shoe too, because this big boy don't normally walk 10 miles plus. So of course my dog's gonna be barking. Whew. So just want to talk about that real quick. Really good picture right there. Anybody know this city? Drop me a comment if you know where I'm at right now, where I'm recording from. Be interesting to know. Anybody local, hit me up with a comment. I'd meet up and say what's up. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to end this again by saying I'm going to be all over the place with this channel. Maybe getting a different car, so I'm going to be doing a ton of car videos. Just kind of step it up. So people that subscribe to me for my previous cars, I appreciate you, because I haven't done car video in a couple years. If you subscribe to me for GoPro stuff, you're still around, I appreciate you. I mean, honestly, like 95% of the people that watch my videos do it by searching for a specific thing. I've got a couple subscribers, but a couple people that religiously watch everything I do, and I really appreciate you guys, and I recognize who you are because I see your comments often, and that's all very much appreciated. But I'm just gonna do videos because it gets my mind off of life, you know. There's nothing wrong with that. So I hope you all stick with me. I've been rambling again. This is probably even longer than I wanted to go, but check me out, follow me, and leave a comment, leave an like, leave a unlike, shit, I don't care. Just do something. But hope you have a good day. I'll see you guys on the next video, whenever that is, and we will talk to you later. All right, bye now.